for me really fast.
Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
All right, you guys good to go? Welcome, thanks for joining us this morning. Again, my name is Erica Thomas. I'm the new PIO here for LPD. I'll be getting to know you well over the coming days and weeks. Here with us today to talk about the double homicide from yesterday is Chief Teresa Ewens, along with AC Brian Jackson in charge of investigations and Captain Ben Miller of investigations with Team 3.
Hey everybody. Just wanted to follow up on yesterday's news conference. Officers were dispatched to the area 4600 Friar Park Drive, the Lodge Apartments, regarding 2 individuals who were struck and killed by a motor vehicle near the clubhouse. This vehicle was driven by 27-year-old female Taylor Bradley, a resident of the complex. Bradley was lodged on 2 counts of second-degree murder and is currently in the Lancaster County Correctional Facility. Lincoln Fire and Rescue paramedics were summoned to the scene and after an assessment declared the 2 victims deceased. Autopsies will occur in the coming days. The 2 victims, men in their 40s, were maintenance employees of the apartment complex. Their names will not be released at this time. This investigation is ongoing. It will take some time to more clearly understand the circumstances of this incident. This is a tragic event for the families and all involved as well as our community. We ask that you please respect their privacy. If anyone has information, please contact the Lincoln Police Department at 402-441-6000. Or if you wish to remain anonymous, you can call Crime Stoppers at 402-475-3600. And with that, I'll take questions.
Can you say if there was an argument between the 3 at this point, or anything that would indicate what may have led to this?
That we're still trying to figure that out. That is the outstanding question at this point of what happened prior to the events.
So you don't have any indication of what led up to her running over 2 people?
Not at this time.
Were they acquainted with each other before today?
I'm sorry?
Were they acquainted with each other before today?
That
Before
we're still
yesterday?
trying to figure that out. You know, it's hard to piece this together. You know, we have video, but it doesn't show everything prior to the event. So we're trying to figure that out.
Were the victims living in the apartment or just working in the apartment?
Working with
Do we know how fast she was going?
it. Not at this time.
What leads you to believe she was doing it on purpose?
The video, it definitely was, there was intent.
Can you describe that video a little bit so we know what makes you think so?
Not right now. I can't, you know, it's been less than 24 hours. We're still gathering evidence. We're still looking at video. We're actually in the middle of an interview right now. You know, it's really hard to really present that at this time because we don't have all the evidence, and I don't want to taint the investigation with giving that out too soon.
There's an indication she hit a golf cart prior to running them over. Can you confirm that a golf cart was struck or involved in some way?
We don't know if the golf cart was part of the original start of the interaction. And so, yes, there was a golf cart, but we're not really sure how that plays into the overall events.
Were they sitting in the golf cart or away from it?
We're looking into that stuff.
We were seeing some rumors that she was possibly being evicted. Is there a way to confirm if she was being evicted at that time?
We have no information, I would suggest.
Yeah, we don't have that information. I mean, I don't think that's part of, workers at the site are not gonna be responsible for eviction, so, I would say that that's not, and unfortunately, it's another rumor that is not possibly true. Yes.
What's the birth date of Taylor Bradley? The jail roster said she's 28, and then we had 27.
We will, get that for you, right after.
Thanks.
Was there any indication at all that she was on drugs or anything at the time, or is that still under investigation?
Because of the case, we did, draw some blood, and all that will be looked into.
Is that why she was taken to the hospital, or did she suffer any injuries, or why was she taken to the hospital afterwards?
For evaluation.
How long has she lived at the lodge?
I don't have that information at this time.
Were there a lot of witnesses to this incident? I mean, it's right there by Nebraska Parkway. How many folks have you guys had to talk to sort this out?
So that'd be workers as well as, people that live there. We do have a substantial amount of witnesses to the events.
And you then provided any information about what led up to this? I mean, was there yelling? Was there an argument? Or, I mean, how long were they, I guess, engaged before it led to what it led to?
I would love to be able to answer that question, you know, what led up to somebody intentionally running others over. It's part of the investigation, and we're really looking into what happened. Unfortunately, you know, there's witnesses that saw parts of it, but not the entire interaction.
To people who were like maybe driving by or at the apartment complex, what's something that they should consider when it comes to sending videos or anything that they saw?
They should contact us, and then we'll go from there. I mean, anything will help. You know, a Ring doorbell, whatever will absolutely help us. Any other questions? Okay. Like I said yesterday, you know, this is definitely unfolding, and as we move forward, we'll provide additional information. We hope to have the county attorney with us, and then we can also explore the charges and why we're charging second degree murder. Okay. All right. Thanks,
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.